huge box of that.
Mom really got into Windows.
I already got the bird.
All right. Another gift card. Cool.
Here, hold that to keep it on you.
Huh?
Oh. What the?
What is it?
I have no clue.
Hurry.
What is it?
I don't know. There you go. Pull it out of there.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Thank you.
Wow.
Now you got a new tackle.
Wow.
That's bigger than my tackle box,
That'll
buddy.
hold
It's like 8 times as big.
It's got all kinds of drawers and everything. Look at that. This thing keeps the drawers in there.
Man, that's a big
Like
one.
that, Alex?
Yeah.
That is cool, isn't it?
It's like a whole bunch of individual
How long do these
tackle
things go?
boxes.
It record an hour.
Sweet. Another pair.
Cool.
And then you can just upload the computer and then.